Hi guys, postman's been. I didn't expect him today. We're, a couple of days before Christmas. So I really didn't expect this to arrive before Christmas, but it's here, so we'll have a look. Had a bit of a rough time through the post. Got a little bit scraped there. It's something that came up in conversation the other day with somebody on YouTube. We were talking about reading the details out of old hard drives, and I had a look on eBay and found this, an all-in-one HDD docking station. Multifunction, hard disk drives, SATA and IDE, 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch, and this should work on USB 2 and USB 3, so it should do everything for me. I'll put a link to the video that caused this discussion so you can have a look at the original video. There we go. So looking inside, I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but this one's obviously for a IDE hard drive. And up there will be for the SATA serial. And I've got a lot of ordinary memory card slots as well. So I should be able to just sit this on my desk. Got a switch on the bottom there as well. I guess I ought to read the instructions. And I might have a little look in my box of bits and see if I can find a few old hard drives, just so we can test it. I'll put a few slides in here because this will take far too long to watch everything happen. But it all seems to be working okay, apart from this little it's that 2.5 inch drive out of the Toshiba laptop that I was looking at the other day. Looks like there's a problem with the drive. We've actually copied just about everything off it, and we've just got to the last 5 seconds remaining, as it says there, and it's been there for about probably half an hour, so it's obviously struggling with the last little bit of memory there. I'm copying it across to one of my other drives just so that I can strip the files out of it from there and put them onto DVDs or memory cards for my daughter so she can have her files back. But apart from that particular drive, the other drives that I've looked at, no problem at all. So that's IDE drives, which just slot straight in there. The bigger drives, the 3.5 inch drives, I did have a bit of trouble trying to get to that power plug at the back there. It seems to be a matter of getting the drive in at the right angle for it to slide down over that plug. But apart from that, it works. Quite happy with it. No problem at all.